Here's today's question, which is a long one, and is worth 40 marks. We're told that a class went on a school tour to Barcelona, and we're given two tables showing the weight of each of the students' bags in kilograms. We have to calculate the mean weight of the boys' bags, correct to one decimal place. To find the mean, we must first find the sum of the weights and divide it by the number of bags. The sum of the weights of the bags is 122.2 kg. And since there's 14 boys, to find the mean, we divide this by 14, which gives us 8.72, which gives us 8.7 kg correct to one decimal place. In part B, we have to use the data we're given in the tables to fill in this frequency table. Since the data in the tables is in order, this is fairly easy. And this is what the frequency table should look like when you're finished. In part C, we're told that Owen says the girls' bags are heavier than the boys in general, and we have to use the data we're given to say whether Owen is correct or incorrect. The correct answer for this is no, because the mean weight of the boys' bags is heavier than the mean weight of the girls' bags. Moving on to part D, we're given a frequency table, and we have to represent this using a histogram. On the x-axis, we're going to have our time in minutes, and on the y-axis, we're going to have the number of students. Adding scales to our axes, it should look like this. Now we can start filling in the data. Once you've added this data to the histogram, it should look like this. Part D itself was worth 10 marks, so it's well worth getting this right. In part E, we're given another table showing the amount of money that 30 students spent in the airport. We have to use mid-interval values to estimate the mean amount of money spent. This means in each of these intervals, we have to take the middle value and multiply it by the number of students in that interval. So here's all our mid-interval values. So to find the mean, we have to multiply these by the number of students in that interval and then divide it by the total number of students. So here's our equation for the mean. And when we multiply this out and round our answer to the nearest cent, we get a mean of €26.42. Part E is worth another 10 marks. In part F, we have to use the values in the last table to estimate the median amount of money spent. So since there is 30 students in total, the median will be between the 15th and the 16th student. So starting from the start, the 15th and 16th students would end up in the 10 to 20 euro interval. And they'd be towards the end of this interval because they're more likely to spend over 15 euro than under 15 euro. So for this question, you can just kind of guess a value between 15 and 20 euro that's closer to 20 euro. So we'll just say the median is around 1850. For our justification, you can say something along the lines of this, but it doesn't have to be exactly this. And that's the end of this question. I hope you guys found this solution video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again.